Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a while that I haven't posted a video, but here I am with a new video. So, I was totally out of ideas and didn't know what to do, so I just thought, let's do something that we all did in our childhood, and it was the most fun project, and I really love to do it in the art class. So, yeah, what I did was I went and plucked out some leaves from my garden, washed them up, dried them. Then I took a sheet of paper and I folded it in half because yes, we are making a greeting card. You can also use this as a wrapping paper, but I wanted to be more of a greeting card. So I'm just painting the background black. Just paint the entire background black quickly. You can also pick out leaves of different shapes and different sizes to make it look great, and like you can use a variety of these leaves and stuff. Okay, now I painted the leaf with different shades of green. Ooh, what I did. And I am pressing them upon the paper, and then I am removing the leaf. Oh, there you go. Okay, so you're not supposed to remove the leaf immediately. You're just supposed to leave it for some time and then move it. And what a beautiful pattern. Oh my god. I always loved doing this, and making this video was really fun for me. Let's paint the other leaf with other shade of green, and yeah, wow, that's a good one. You just have to make impressions all over the page, and you can, of course, you're supposed to use different shades of green to make it look nice. Like as I used light green, and then I used grass green, then I'm using really dark green color. Mix up two green colors, add yellow, just play around with paint. You can, it's not even compulsory to use green color. You can use any other color and make it like colorful, and it's just gonna look great. And yeah, here we are. I have painted other ones yellow, the small ones. I also painted the yellow. As you can see, I'm also using small leaves, big leaves, medium leaves, you know, just a variety of them. It looks so good. Oh my god. And this is your final result.